Based in Carl Street Air, Homesure is a property company with a difference. It offers a portfolio management service. Managing Director Scott Weir explains how this concept differs from other property companies.
Well, we hope to be unique in the area. Rather than just offering letting or sales services, we hope to take a more comprehensive approach to our landlords' investments. Landlords have many different reasons for investing in property, so we like to find out exactly what those are and make sure that the property they're buying or the properties for the portfolio they're building are going to really achieve those goals. So again, it's certainly a long-term strategy with landlords. When I say long-term, I really do mean long-term. A lot of our clients, we are doing some properties for their pensions within SIPs, which is self-invested pension plans. It really isn't about making a quick profit, it's about finding out exactly what's right for the client. We want to make sure that the property that they're investing in and the portfolio that they're building is ultimately going to achieve their goals in the long term.
I see that your office is branded as a property investment centre. Can you just tell me a bit more about this?
Rather than just being a place where people come to pay rent, people come to look at properties, and we're hoping to make it an investment hub, not just for landlords who already utilise our services locally, but due to our proximity to Prestwick Airport, we get quite a lot of national investors coming to see us as well. So we do planned investment days whereby we pick some landlords and investors up from the airport, show them around the local area and then come back to the office and spend some time discovering exactly what it is they're looking to achieve, looking at some potential investments and basically just spending the rest of the day meeting staff, finding out a little bit about us and ultimately us making sure we're putting a strategy in place for them that's going to achieve their long-term goals.
So what services do you provide to landlords?
Break services down into three main ranges. First of all, it's property management. We have a wide range of properties throughout Ayrshire and Glasgow that we manage. Second of all would be UK buy-to-let sales. We try to sell properties that already have tenants in place. Normally they're long-term properties that we've managed, so we know a great deal of history about the property. A landlord's not just jumping in and buying a property and finding there's lots of issues with it. They're buying a property hopefully that we've got a good history of, that's got a good tenant. We normally sign them into a new tenancy agreement, so they've got a guaranteed tenant for the next year at the very least, and ultimately we set the sale date for the day that rent's due, so with that they get an instant income. They're not buying it from an estate agent, doing some works to it, costing a few £1,000s doing it up and then losing a few £1,000s in rental income. The day they buy it is the day the first rent's due. And the third part's overseas investments. This is a new area of the business that's developed over the last 18 months. Landlords are moving away from UK buy-to-let investment and looking at other opportunities to maximise their initial investments. We've got a very select range of services. There are thousands and thousands of products out there. We've narrowed it down to just a handful of products that we feel personally confident that are going to perform for the landlords and are really safe and secure investments. Landlords can also put these properties into SIPs, which are self-invested pension plans. So probably about half of our overseas clients are long-term clients that are putting all their properties into SIPs. We can do a free pension appraisal and then the report comes back saying that the pensions are underperforming. We then help them select some products, set up the SIP and obviously take advantage of the various tax benefits that they have of inputting into a pension. So that's certainly a really exciting area of the business. We've got lots of agent trips planned to take some landlords over to actually see the developments that they're investing in. So that's really exciting times for Homesure and for landlords.